here in Hamana Homes, we also have the townhouses, no,
Yes,
sir?
po.
So,
For the, early nester, yung mga bagong married. Yan.
So with that being said, our model unit for our townhouses is Lamea.
Lamea.
For Lamea, we have a minimum lot area of more or less 75 square meter and a usable floor area of more or less 51 square meter.
Yes.
So let's go. Ayan. So dito yung you will be greeted with your living area na, no, sir. Ayan. And right beside your living area, of course, your clean kitchen. Normally, ganito yung layout ng mga
Yes.
townhouses natin, no, sir? And then, on the ground floor, you have also, of course, your one toilet and bathroom. Sa taas, sir,
one
meron
there.
din.
Yes, we have
so,
also.
two toilet and bathroom
Yes,
din
po.
siya. But the difference that may, kumbaga sa townhouse, ilan yung units meron sa isang cluster, sir?
This Lamea po, we call it quadruplex, so apat sila magkakadikit.
Okay.
And we have also one townhouse in phase 1, we call it Kanea.
Kanea.
So triplex naman sila.
Oh.
So isa lang ang inner unit, dalawang end unit bale.
I see.